got a landscape project. If we're gonna get knocked out, we gotta get the weeds pulled from all that. All over there. All over here, it looks like it's been sprayed, kind of. Maybe we go get the mulch. I gotta get this up also. Yeah, let's see it. Good looking like. Mulch all around this side. I'm gonna weed it a lot of it, but some of them we're gonna have to go in on it. So we got in the back, we need the weeds all up over there, all up over there. We'll remulch all back there. Get started, holla. Now, like I said, before I started this, I actually got the full of the weeds out of all the flower beds that was around the property. And she did not want the tarp to be put on to the flower bed. So I would lay down the fabric to put on the flower beds, you know, it would have been more of a charge. So she said she didn't want it. So I pulled out the weed and sprayed. She was fine with me doing that and priced it. She thought it was a fair price. I told her, look around and see if she could find anybody else who she might want to go with. And she told me, nah, I'm gonna go with you. So, and I got my son out here with me. And man, it would be a beautiful, lovely thing. Have a family business. But honesty is just someone who the line of landscape, man, and it's nothing wrong with it. So whatever you choose to do, still gotta support them. So he's becoming a teenager, wishing the best still. And man, with this job, this was my biggest landscape job I've done so far. It was 11 scoops of mulch on it. And if you guys want to see some extra footage of it, go follow me on Instagram because it's kind of hard to get everything on the phone. Well, I'm sorry, not the phone, but the GoPro. And I try to get as much footage as I can. And what ain't on here, check out me on Instagram. Go follow me on there. Give me a follow, man. I'll follow you back on there also. But like I said, it was 11 scoops of mulch, and this is day one, basically, the front side. So you get in the front side, and I'll get around here to the back in just 1 second. Alright guys, as you can see, I got out here, did the best I could do on day one. Mulch laid down. And we'll be back tomorrow to finish up, fill in any little spot to need fill up. And we'll have this thing looking good, so. All right, we back. This is day two. We're in the backyard. Well, that's what we got. Pretty much everything cleared out already. Which those sides ain't gonna be that much. The little islands ain't gonna be that much at all. What's gonna be the problem, which ain't no problem, you got a lot of dumping we gotta do all through here, guys. So, a lot. Gonna get this all spread out. Get everything over here dumped. We're gonna keep dumping. Dump, come back through, spread. So get you some footage. The guys, before we came back on day 2, it had rained the night after day 1. So after the night of day 1, it had rained and blew some debris out, man. So you'll notice in the back in a minute on the Long Island, you'll see it looks like it has sticks and limbs in some places, which this right here looks good, looks great. And this right here looks great also. And so finally getting it knocked out. The black mulch laid down, fellas, and it's looking good. Looks real good. Now I have to show you guys where I actually ran out of mulch. Side over here. Yeah, I actually ran out of mulch, and I'll show you where. And it rained, so the rain has knocked some of the stuff down into the mulch beds. I mean the islands. The rain has actually wetted it up into the islands and knocked some trash down in there. So I think I did a pretty good job. And I ain't gonna say just me, I have my son out here helping with me. He helped me do a great job of knocking this out. So, see, it's raining, it's got the raining now. It was pretty dry. But when this weather gets dry like this, do you guys offer more services? Do you do more jobs or what? So if you guys let me know in the comments. We'll go around the front, show you what the front looks like. As the back, but show you the front of it. It's like side over here, lay it down. A lot of mulch on this job, fellas. Mulch around the bushes, mulch around the front, mulch around there. Mulch, 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 mulch. It ain't mulch madness, but it's mulch getting laid. So that's what it is, guys. Mulch laid down. And I'll try to do before and after the pics and let you see it at the end of the video if you stay tuned. But I'm out of here. Finally got it done. Boneyard Lawn Service. Holler at you guys in the next video. Hit the like, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe. And I'll holler at you the next.
Start smoking.